Hey, my friends, I hope you're having a great day. It's Friday, early morning, and I just wanted to show you something quickly. So, if you saw a little while back, I showed Juliana's baby album, which is technically finished, but because it was done years ago, so 18 years ago, there's a lot that I didn't like in it, and I know it sounds crazy. I have so many albums to catch up on, so many photos to scrap. Why am I bothering doing this? Why? I'll tell you why I'm renovating this album before I put it on my shelves. I'm doing it because, quite frankly, this was the most important day of my life. So, yes, my wedding was very special and things like that, but this was literally the most important day of my life, as was Anthony's birth 2 years later. So I want this book to be in a state that makes me very happy. The way it was didn't make me happy, and I'll just quickly show you. So I'm not redoing this. That is what it is. I'm just going to keep it. That's fine. But this other page, no, this one I'm keeping too, because I'm not going to rip these up. I mean, it looks cheesy, but I don't know what else I would do anyway in this case. So I'm keeping that. And then I redid this because it was so freaking boring. Back then, for Creative Memories, it was like a big no-no to wallpaper your pages, right? But I found, so I had this picture in here, I had that, and I had a whole bunch of cards, which were like this. Like, look at this. This is garbage to me. I can't stand it. So all the cards were like this. I don't want that. It's horrifying and it's ugly. So what I did instead, I thought to myself, how am I going to showcase them properly? I came up with this. I just made a sweet little pocket out of cardstock. I would suggest cardstock over pattern paper just because it's, stronger. I did this. And I matched it to this page because this is only a one-pager, so I matched it to it. I used the same teal. And look how pretty. This card, like these cards seem to match this paper perfectly. How awesome is that, right? So that's how I'm doing it. And then the next page, so these are the cards that we got when we announced our pregnancy. This I'm just using as an example. These were when she was already born. So that's another project down a few pages later. But for the next page, I have it blank to put the rest of those cards. And this, I wrote redo because fugly. It's so ugly. I hate this page. I hate it. You guys might like it, but I don't like this at all. So I think I'm going to leave maybe this and then just put a polka dot, like a light mint polka dot here, and just redo the photos and not write right on here. It's just little things. I don't think it's going to take me too long, but it's just the little things that drive me nuts. I need to love this album and I need to honor the most important time of my life. And that's what I'm going to do. So there you go. Just a quick one to show you the renovation of my daughter's baby album. And yes, I will do the same for Anthony's. However, I'm a little luckier with him because Anthony's album, sorry, what am I doing? Anthony's album is barely even done. So his is kind of a blank slate. That's it, guys. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I am freaking out because there's only one more sleep until Scrapfest, and me and my best friend are going to have a wonderful day, God willing, at Scrapfest, shopping, talking, walking, eating, all that good stuff. That's it. Great weekend, guys. Take care and ciao for now.